Today we're going to talk about illnesses. Illnesses son enfermedades. They're what make us feel sick. We don't feel well. There's some sort of problem with our bodies. Then we're also going to talk about symptoms. Symptoms are what we feel. That's how we know that we're sick. In Spanish, se dice síntomas. Finally, we always want to feel better. That's how we recover from our illness, or recuperar de la enfermedad. Let's take a look at some common illnesses that happen when you're young. Sometimes people might get something called a cavity. A cavity is when you have a hole that's in one of your teeth. Un carie. What kind of symptoms do you have? Do you have a fever? Do you have pain? Do you have red skin? Or does your tooth hurt? You have a toothache. It's the toothache. So I'm going to match that one up. How do you recover from that? How do you get better? Well, the dentist can give you something called a filling. A filling will fill in that hole so that you no longer feel the pain of a toothache. Here's something else that sometimes happens. Broken bone, hueso quebrado. What do you feel when you have a broken bone? Do you have a fever, red skin, peeling and red skin, pain and swelling? It's going to be painful if your bone's broken, and swelling means it gets larger like this right around the place of the injury. So the broken bone is the illness. What do I feel? I feel pain, and I feel or notice that something is swollen or bigger than usual, inflamado. And how do I recover? How do I get better? Well, sometimes they use a cast in order to stabilize or to hold it in one spot so that you feel better. Here's something else that might happen. If you're not careful around something, that's how you might burn. Quemada. Do you have a fever and ear pain when that happens? Or do you have peeling and red skin? That's right, it's red skin and peeling. Peeling como pelando. It's like parts of your skin are coming off. For that one, you're going to need cream or aloe. Aloe is this plant, and you can break it off, and the juice or the sticky part inside, that it's kind of like gel. That is the part that helps. Let me move this a little bit. Now, another thing that you might experience, another illness or problem, is an ear infection. This is my ear, and if it's infected, infectado. It sounds almost the same in Spanish. I'm going to have a fever probably and ear pain, so pain right here inside. How do I get better? Antibiotics, antibioticos, or this type of medicine usually helps people feel better who are experiencing that. Those are the problems or the illnesses, symptoms, and how you recover.